Good morning. My name is Richard. I'm a sewer sluice. Today I'm at property address 18740 Nixon Avenue in West Lynn. I'm located near the foundation underneath the front porch where there's a 4-inch ABS two-way clean out. This is going to be my point of access. Going to advance out and check the overall condition and serviceability of the sanitary sewer. So here I go. Okay, I got it in the correct direction, and now I'm going to zero out the counter and continue out towards Nixon. Okay, right here, 1 foot in, we got a minor root coming through the PVC transition. It's right after the 90 as we work our way out. Now we're going to continue in PVC. Okay, we're working our way out in a 4-inch PVC. We will introduce water to the line in a bit. We're going to go as far as we can first and evaluate the line on the way out without running water, and then we'll add water. Okay, here's a T connection here, which is pretty common to see in the pipe. Doesn't look like there's any roots coming through. It looks like it's plugged off. We're going to continue. Okay, we got a little bit of water here. It's about a ½ inch of standing water. Looks like it pops out right away. We still can see the top of the screen, so that's a minimal amount of standing water. There's a little bit of sediment at the bottom of that pooling area. Okay, we should be near the main here. We're going to go ahead and flush a toilet a couple times here to check the flow on the way out. There was a very small amount of standing water in a section, so we want to see the flow leading out to the street, and then on our way back we'll pull back to that area and see if it's only a ½ inch of standing water. I was able to view the top part of my camera the entire time, which tells me there's only about a ½ inch to ½ inch of standing water in a small section, but we're going to flush. It should catch up in a few minutes here, a few seconds actually, about 30 seconds, and we'll try to get to the main. Okay, I ran out camera here. I'm going to locate and see how close we are to the main. We should be fairly close. Not seeing a whole lot of water coming through yet from the flushing. Okay, there's the flow from the flush. We should have a little bit more water coming through here in a moment. While that's draining out, I'm going to go ahead and do locates and see how close I am to the main, and then give an opportunity for that water to drain out and then come back to that area that has some standing water, and just make sure that it's only a minimal amount of standing water in that area. If it's more than an inch of standing water, I'll recommend a spot repair, but if I can still see the top of my camera lens, that indicates just a slight loss of grade for a moment in the pipe, but then it appears to pop out. Okay, I located the camera. We are very close to Nixon on the street. We're just like a foot away from the street side, and I can view up ahead here. We're very close to lateral. I'm out of camera, but I'm very close to the main, so I'm going to go ahead and pull back now and come back to that little pocket of water and see if I can view the top of the pipe. If I can, it's not a significant loss of grade enough to do a repair. But if I do get to that area after flushing several toilets and there's a lot of pooling and the camera's completely submerged underwater, then that would tell me that that is a significant loss of grade and needs attention to get the slope and grade back. But we're going to slowly pull back now. Okay, so far as I'm pulling back, everything's looking good. There's hardly any standing water at all at the bottom of the flow line. I'm going to continue. Okay, we've gotten to the area with a little bit of standing water, but as I pull back, I can see at the top of the lens, it's a very small amount of pooling left in the pipe after the flushing. I'd say it's only a quarter to a half an inch of standing water in that pipe as I'm pulling back. It does not go completely under. It would benefit from a hydrojetting, just to clean up the line a little bit. Okay, so there's a little bit of standing water here, but like I said, it's a 4-inch pipe, PVC. The flushing is getting to the street, and in my opinion, it's only about a quarter to a half inch of standing water at all times in the pipe. I am not going to recommend a repair. Like I said, it would benefit from a hydrojetting just to clean out the line a little bit up on the side walls. And there was some very, very minor root intrusion up by the clean out at the transition from ABS to PVC.